Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First of all, open settings on your device, then go to battery settings, and after that, go to charging settings. Here, make sure that fast charging feature is enabled, and if it's not, then of course switch the toggle on next to it. Also, make sure that your device is updated. To do so, in settings, select software update, select download and install, and let your smartphone check if your software is up to date. And if it's not, then of course let your device download and install it. Besides, clean the USB Type-C port using a soft brush. Don't use any metallic tools to do that. Just clean it, try to unclog it using a soft brush carefully. And also make sure that you're using a compatible fast charging cable. The best decision would be to use the original one along with the original charger, and just to make sure that everything works well, restart your smartphone every once in a while by holding down the power button and volume down key at the same time, then selecting restart. This will optimize your device by removing the unnecessary data from it, like cache data and everything else, and it will also turn off background applications and the background processes running. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.